Hello, my name is Selena. I am a postpartum doula and sexual wholeness mentor, as well as a recently certified Gottman Institute Bringing Baby Home educator in Manhattan, New York. I am past courses. What have I enjoyed? I have enjoyed learning about systems and infrastructure as they currently exist and as they have evolved, and tools for teaching that has been really beneficial and immediately applicable in my field. I'm also in the dual program, so I'm learning a little bit from the education side as well as from the social work side. I am looking forward to learning about politics in this class. I am new to the world of politics, voted for the first time in 2016. There's a long story behind why that is, but here I am, a little behind and ready to catch up. Nice to meet you all. Cheers!